Um, I can't even, I don't even remember when I started calling it assignment, because then I knew that it was something being assigned to me, and me truly believing in my spirit that we're all here for a reason. At that time, I think I was trying just to prompt people to not sit on their gifts and talents. Whether you can sing or dance, or you do therapy or coaching or whatever it is, there's a certain set of people, and what we've been assigned to do, nobody else can come like, okay, then since Sabrina's not here, we're gonna let Angie take. Well, Angie don't have what Sabrina was bringing. Angie only has what Angie was given. And it just came to me that, okay, then this is what's supposed to happen. But this is what happens when you sit still with yourself, and develop a relationship with yourself, and begin to love on yourself. Like, your hearing just gets so much better. Even though I've lost most of my hearing in this ear, I can hear so much better. And I've been blessed with a lot of the whys, like why I was left here alone, why I could do a whole movie and get awards and be in film festival and not ever have done a movie before, not ever even on my radar. And those are some of the gifts and talents that you're given. So when the universe, God, Allah, whoever you hold higher, assigns you with something, you have what you need to do it. And there are people, the whole purpose of you getting the freaking assignment is for you to be able to dispense it.
Yeah.
Yeah.